Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the units of measure type in the WeatherChannel application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and you will see three lines there. Press on them and here you should select the first option, which is settings. After pressing on it, you can see under the general category the units of measure option. Press on it and here you can see three options being available to you. You can use the English one, the metric one, or the hybrid one. Now it's up to preference or location, where you're living, what you're used to. And if you want to select something else, the metric is the default. You can just press on it and you can see that the units of measure was changed. So for the video, this is all about it. I hope it was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.